Hey, G. We had a long walk. And it was a little too long for somebody. Oh, you waking up? What's up, G-Dog? Are you waking up, buddy? Hey! Hey! What are those things on my face? Oh! Hi! Did you have a good walk? Yeah. I'm a little sleepy, but it's a lot cooler in here than it was out there. Yeah. Oh! What do you say?
Are you hot?
Yeah, we'll get ourselves in a cool bath.